Peanut punch. It's not just a drink, it's a Caribbean sensation. This creamy, nutty delight is more than just peanuts blended with milk. It's a burst of energy and a taste of tradition all in one glass. Imagine yourself on a sun-drenched Caribbean beach. The warm breeze carries the scent of spices and the rhythmic sound of island music. In your hand, a frosty glass of peanut punch, its creamy texture coating your palate with the rich flavors of peanuts, spices, and a hint of sweetness. Peanut punch is often called a powerhouse in a glass. This is because it's packed with nutrients and natural energy from the peanuts. It's the perfect pick-me-up on a hot day or after a long day of work. Whether you're a seasoned Caribbean food enthusiast or a curious newcomer, Peanut Punch offers a delicious adventure for your taste buds. Get ready to discover why this simple yet extraordinary drink holds a special place in the hearts and kitchens of the Caribbean. Peanut punch, like many traditional recipes, has as many variations as there are islands in the Caribbean. Each family and each island adds its own unique twist to this classic drink. Some like to add a pinch of nutmeg or cinnamon for an extra layer of warmth. Others prefer a touch of condensed milk for added sweetness. And for those who enjoy a little extra kick, a splash of rum transforms the peanut punch into a delightful adult treat. But the creativity doesn't stop there. Some adventurous souls add sea moss, a type of seaweed, for its numerous health benefits. Others incorporate chickpeas for a boost of protein and fiber, creating a more substantial and satisfying drink. The beauty of peanut punch lies in its versatility. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature version. Ready to embark on your peanut punch adventure? The process is surprisingly simple, even for novice cooks. You'll need just a handful of ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your pantry. Start with 2 cups of raw peanuts. Soak them in water overnight to soften them up. In the morning, drain the peanuts and combine them in a blender with 4 cups of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and your choice of sweetener. Sugar, honey, or condensed milk work well. Blend until smooth and creamy. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any gritty bits of peanut. This step ensures a silky smooth texture. Pour the strained peanut punch into a pitcher and add another 4 cups of water or milk, adjusting the consistency to your liking. Chill the peanut punch in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and the drink to become refreshingly cold. Peanut punch is more than just a tasty drink. It's a symbol of Caribbean culture and hospitality. From the bustling streets of Kingston, Jamaica, to the vibrant markets of Port of Spain, Trinidad, you'll find vendors selling this beloved beverage. In Trinidad and Tobago, peanut punch is a staple at carnival celebrations, providing a much-needed energy boost to revelers dancing in the streets. In Guyana, it's a popular breakfast drink, often enjoyed with bake, a type of fried bread. And in Jamaica, it's a refreshing treat any time of day. But the love for peanut punch extends far beyond the Caribbean. As more and more people discover its unique flavor and nutritional benefits, it's gaining popularity worldwide. So, the next time you're craving a taste of the tropics, whip up a batch of peanut punch and let its creamy goodness transport you to the islands. Peanut punch isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly good for you. Peanuts are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. The milk or water you add to your peanut punch provides additional hydration and nutrients. And if you choose to add sea moss, you'll be getting a boost of iodine, iron, and other essential minerals. Sea moss is also believed to have anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. So not only is peanut punch a delicious and refreshing drink, but it's also a great way to nourish your body from the inside out. It's the perfect example of how something so simple can be both tasty and good for you. Now, it's your turn to experience the magic of peanut punch. Try the recipe, experiment with different variations, and discover your own favorite way to enjoy this Caribbean delight. And don't forget to share your peanut punch creations with your friends and family.